Hey, it's Dagan, and I am doing this is a school makeup routine. This is going to be a school makeup routine. So if I'm grabbing from below, it's going to be from this makeup bag. Bought this makeup bag from Walmart, just to let you know. So yeah. So this is going to be a school makeup routine. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need is primer. So I always like to use primer. I took off my makeup from this morning. So yeah. So I like to use this e.l.f. primer. This isn't really a primer, it's more of like a moisturizer, but I basically use it as a primer. So it just comes out like this. And I just get some and I dab it all the places that I need it. So yeah. I just dab it all like this. Let's put the cap on. God, it's not getting on. Okay, so actually I'm going to take everything out. But I totally forgot to do that. So yeah, forgot to do that because my brushes are under there. So and I had to take it out, but I'm gonna have to take out my first pocket one. So you're going to want to put primer on. So I'm just gonna rub this in. So yeah. So then I'll go in with this BB cream by Maybelline, and it is the pink one. It is in light medium. I would either use this foundation or this powder foundation. I would either use one of these foundations. So yeah, but I like to use this one because during school you want to use less makeup products as you can. And this doesn't really cover up stuff. You have to use concealer with this. But with this, you really don't have to use concealer at all. So I basically just put it on the back of my hand. I just like squirt it. I already shake this. I shake this before the video. You're supposed to shake it like this. So then I just get a dab. I just put it everywhere that needs it. Now put it in spot that I do concealer too, because this is subbing in for concealer. So yeah. So yeah, then I just use the side to blend it. And I am going to 5th grade. So I will be going to 5th grade this year, and I bought school supplies. I will do a school supplies video haul, but I don't know if I'll do it after this one. It kind of depends on how I feel, because I'm about to have to eat supper. I got walk-ons. So I might do the school supplies haul after I'm done eating my supper. So that's blended out pretty nicely. And I like this concealer because like it still shows your freckles, and I have very light freckles, so I really like to use this. And it does cover up pimples because I am getting like a bunch of pimples. Like you can't see them because they're not bad. I have a big one on my nose, and like I have a bunch right there, one right there. Like they're just like everywhere. And I have one like right there where y'all can't see it. Like it's getting bad. So yeah, I just blend that out. with this cute little beauty blender that I got from Ipsy. It's this big. So then I try to use less products as possible, but I kind of have to use powder because my skin is oily, so I use e.l.f. powder. Because my skin is very oily, so I definitely use powder. I just use a e.l.f. kabuki brush. I think I will do a late to school video, like a video of like where I'm going to act like I'm late for school and stuff. Or I'll act like I'm late to school, and I'll just like give you a bunch of hacks to help that. Okay, Mom. My mom's gonna go pick up supper. So she's gonna go pick up supper, and I'm just gonna keep doing this video, and I'm gonna take a break and edit this video. Then I think I will. Sorry, I had to go over my mouth. So I think I will do the video once I'm done eating supper of my school supplies haul, because I've got some cute stuff. So all my stuff is going to be from Target and Walmart, just to let you know, but I'll tell you that in the video, in the other video, so you don't really need to know that in this video. So then after I put that on, I like to go in with this e.l.f. blush, because you don't want to be looking dead. So you'll just need a blush. I just like to go in with a powder brush, actually. I like to go in with this powder brush, and I get a good bit, then do it over the sink, and I just dab some. And I just blow some off, then and I smile and get the apples on my cheeks, then I go a little higher than the apples on my cheeks. Kind of made me a little too shiny. Like, this is kind of a fairy color. So I'm actually just gonna like just go over with this. I'm not gonna put any powder on it. But this just kind of blends it out a little better. So then I get a good bit. Then it will look more natural once you just blend it out with the kabuki brush. Y'all can't really see it in this lighting, so let me try to change the... Whoa! Did not know that was gonna happen. I did not know. Now y'all can see it because I have better lighting. I thought I had that light on, but I actually didn't. So like my lighting was different in the beginning. And it just gives you a natural blush. So yeah. Then I just like to go in with the Maybelline Falsies mascara. So I like to curl my eyelashes. This part is missing and I don't know how to get it back on. Like, I'm really mad. Because I know where the extra part is, but like it's in my makeup bag. Hang on. So watch, let me show it to you. So like I put it in my zipper pouch in the makeup bag, and like I don't get how to put this back on. Like, it's supposed to go like that. Like, I don't know how to get it back on. So I'm gonna have to try. If you know how, leave a comment, please. Gotta drop my brush now, trying to blend this out a little bit better. Jeez. So I go in with the Falsies mascara. Sorry, while I was not talking about doing mascara, I did not want to mess it up. I do not put it on my bottoms. I only put it on my tops. So yeah, that's it. Bye.